Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Webull desktop software for day trading. First, navigate to the official Webull website and download the desktop application. Once downloaded, install it on your computer, ensuring your system meets the minimum requirements for smooth operation. After installation, simply open the application and log in with your existing Webull account credentials. If you are new to Webull, you can easily create a new account directly through the software. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the powerful trading features. Once logged in, the next step is to customize your trading workspace. Webull offers incredible flexibility to arrange windows like charts, order entry panels, and watch lists exactly how you prefer. You can drag and drop elements, resize them, and even save your unique layout as a template. This allows for rapid setup on subsequent sessions. For serious day traders, consider using 2 or more monitors to spread out your information, giving you a comprehensive view of the market at all times. Now, let's dive into the essential trading tools. Begin by populating your watch list with the stocks, ETF, or options you plan to trade, enabling real-time price monitoring. A critical feature for day trading is setting up hotkeys. These allow for lightning-fast order entry and execution, potentially saving you crucial seconds in volatile markets. Furthermore, explore Webull's advanced charting capabilities, which include more than 50 technical indicators, to help you analyze market trends effectively. Finally, effective risk management and continuous practice are paramount. Always implement stop-loss and take-profit orders to protect your capital and lock in gains, respectively. Webull's paper trading feature is an invaluable tool. It allows you to practice your strategies and get comfortable with the platform using virtual money without risking any real capital. Regularly review your trade history and performance metrics to identify areas for improvement and refine your day trading approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.